Hi, this is Mirza from FX Studio for ATouchPlus.com, and today we are hopefully going to learn how to make your footage look old as if it's shot 70 years ago. First, let me say that I did some research on origins of cinematography, old-style cameras and frame rates, and I've watched some old footage from early days of TV. Actually, that was for my project which I made on videohive.net, and I was really trying to mimic old style cameras, and hopefully in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I did that. So let's fire up After Effects. This is CS5. I'm pretty sure you can make this work in any version of After Effects. So you'll hopefully not have any problems making it in versions less than CS5. So let's start. We'll make a new composition. Go to Composition, New Composition, or press Ctrl N. We'll make this full HD, but you can make any size you need. It really depends from your footage. Frame rate 30 frames per second, but that doesn't matter really right now, and press OK. Next we are going to import some footages. You can right click on project panel, go into import file, or from the menu go to file, import file. And I've bought some footages from videohive.net, so you can check that site if you haven't already, and drag that footages to composition. So I'll just drag them around and press Ctrl A on the keyboard to select them all. Go to Layer, Pre-compose, and name this composition footage and press OK. First, what we want to do is to speed up this composition by 50%. So we will right click on the composition, go to time scratch, and enter the value of 50 and press OK. Next, we want to change this composition's frame rate. We will go to composition settings, and add the value of 14. So we will add a value of 14 frames per second and call this main comp and press OK. Old style cameras had something like that, 14 frames per second in early stage. So you can see what's going on already. And we can start adding some effects. So first, of course, we want to make this monochromatic, and we will go to Effect, Color Correction, Tint. With tint you can make your footage black and white, or you can map your black and white to other colors. For example, you can map white also to some yellow color, which also gives that pale old style look. For now we will stick to white and press OK. Next we want to add some noise. Go to Effect, Noise and Grain, and we'll just add a basic noise effect and add this value 5. We don't need color noise, so we will shut this option off. And then we want some levels, of course. Go to Effect, Color Correction, Levels. So with this effect you can certainly play with and adjust your values how you want it, but I'll just enter the values I already find look good for this project, for this tutorial. So input black 53, input white 99, gamma 1.35, output black 37, and output white 217. So next we want to add some blur too, of course. I will use just the regular fast blur. Go to Effect, Blur and Sharpen, Fast Blur, and add the value of 7. And we want to also mark this Repeat Edge Pixels option. And then finally in this section we will add brightness and contrast, which we will give some jumping around. So go to Effect, Color Correction, and Brightness and Contrast. And in this brightness and contrast we will add some small expression, nothing too crazy. We will just alt click on this stopwatch next to brightness and write probably familiar expression for you, wiggle 10 by 10, and do the same for contrast. Alt click and type wiggle 10 by 20. With this 5 effects and changing the frame rate and the composition speed, we've already succeeded to make that look. Of course it wouldn't be so realistic without some scratches, so in your project files which you downloaded, you have these two footages which I will import now. So this is yeah, scratches, right? So we will add the scratches above this composition, and we'll change the transparency to, let's say, 10, or we can play with this maybe to 20, and maybe to 15. And we also add this one file called old screen. Drag that also and change its brightness to, let's say, 10. Maybe we can change the transfer mode to multiply, and finally we'll render this out to see the result. And as you see, cool. You can add some audio to make this look really nice. I got some sound from Audio Jungle. One is projector sound. I will leave the description link in the description. So projector sound and Honky Tonky Piano track by Soundroll on Audio Jungle. And if we add that too, we have full package. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This was Mirza from FX Studio for ATutsPlus.com. Bye bye.